Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2015 Explorer Sport in tuxedo black with black leather interior, seating for 7. This is 4 doors and it has a hatch. It also has a 3.5 liter V6 engine and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has trailer tow package on it. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The mirrors also have power folding, and you have memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your liftgate release, as well as tow, and your lighting controls. There's power tilt and telescoping steering wheel and power pedals. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, as well as cruise control, media controls, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as 2 menus. So we'll start to the left, and we're going to go up to the top here and toggle through. So display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and they all have submenus. On the right hand side, you're seeing phone at the bottom there, navigation, and entertainment, and you'll notice that they change color. In the center, you have your air vents, and then you've got a display screen here. Right now it's trying to connect to a phone. On the right hand side is your navigation. Bottom right is your climate. You've got a heated steering wheel, as well as heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. Your entertainment is on the left, and when you push on the screen there, you can get different options. So AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB. As well, you have Bluetooth stereo, SD card, and line in. As well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. Your hazard lights, there's your CD player, and down below you have AC and max AC, as well as your dual climate control, so you can control it from the screen or on the panel down below. And your fans in the center there, and you also have front and rear defrost. Down below there's a little cubby, and I'm just going to push on there, and inside you've got a 12-volt SD card, auxiliary line in, and USB. As well, an automatic shifter. You're seeing the cup holders here, and there's the light that goes in there. That's your ambient lighting. And right beside us is the terrain management system. Hill descent is in the center, and that's normal. So when you look at it on your dash, you're going to see the different options. So there's mud rut, then it goes to sand mode, snow, gravel, grass mode. And I'm just going to bring it back to normal, and you can see it there. So you just dial through what you'd like. In the center is an armrest, and when we open that up, lots of storage, and there's a 12-volt in there. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment, an auto-dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, as well as sunglass holder. And in the body on the passenger side, you have grab handles, making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, body-colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the key fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the door. There's also keyless entry keypad. In the back, you have a spoiler and a windshield wiper. The backup camera is located just below the Explorer badge. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, dual exhaust, and you're seeing the trailer tow package there with the trailer hitch, 4 and 7 pin connector. I've taken the cover off, so it normally has a cover on it, but then when you go to use it, you just undo it, and it's quite simple to do. When you're ready to open up that lift gate, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. It powers it open for you, making it easier to get in. And you can see I've got one of the seats down and the other one up in the 3rd row, and they're a 50-50 split. The controls are off to the side here, so you can stow them, fold them, or bring them back to normal. And there's also a light. There's also bins there and clips to be able to tether things. And when you want to close everything up, there's a handle off to the right, or you can push the button on the left. It'll power it down for you, and it chimes to let you know it's going down securely. You can then lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, when your vehicle's locked, you can use remote start to start it up. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 2 in the center row, and I just found out something very cool. If you want to fold up these seats and pop them out of the way, you can actually push the button. So it'll fold it down and then pop it up for you. Then you have access to the 3rd row with the seats in a 50-50 split. You've also got bins and cup holders. And when you're ready to bring the seat back down, simply push with one hand, flip it up, and it's in the upright position. In the center, that bin in the console opens up to the back. There's a couple of cup holders, slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. You've got climate control in the center, as well as a 110 and 12-volt, and more cup holders on the floor. There's grab handles in the body, and up above, venting, hooks, and lighting. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.